Hey kids, welcome back. Today we will learn about rhyming words.
Wow!
Rhyming words are those words that have similar ending sounds. मतलब rhyming words वो words होते हैं जिनकी ending sound similar होती है, एक जैसी होती है. So ending sound with at, bat, cat, mat, fat, hat, pat, rat and sat. Next, ending sound with ap, cap, dap, lap, map, nap, tap, gap. Next is ending sounds with an, can, fan, man, land, ran, pan and sand. Thanks for watching.